got a 75 on my essay.
So this is my puppy. Are you guys like required to say our pleasure?
I don't know why you want double Caiti. Good morning, y'all, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. Right now it is 7:30. I feel like I always start these vlogs at the same time. As you guys know, I get dressed and ready for school. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. Remember yesterday how I said I was gonna get a good night's sleep and then like wake up not tired? I went to bed at 11:30 and woke up at 7:20. So that's like a lot of sleep for me. Normally I don't sleep that much. Like I go to bed at like 12 or 1 and I'm still exhausted. It's probably because it's just 7:30 in the morning. I just need to wake up a little bit. And if you guys haven't been able to tell, normally when I'm in the car going to school, I do my eyebrows and mascara, and normally I just have the stuff in there, but I guess I took it out yesterday. So literally the only 3 products that I wear to school is my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, my Anastasia brow pencil, and my Anastasia clear brow gel. I put these in my backpack and then do it in the car. I don't think I have anything going on today. Tomorrow I have a test and a quiz, and they're both very important. I'm hoping that after school I can go shopping because, like I said, I'm doing a little get together with my friends tomorrow at my house, and you'll see that in Vlogmas Day 12. Yeah, 12. But I want to get some like Christmassy snacks, so hopefully I can go shopping. I'm gonna get some Christmassy snacks for that. All right, let's go to school. Hi guys. Come on, it's day 3 of me doing this. Can you just tell them what we're doing?
Math.
What time is it?
All right, look at number 1.
Oh, that's ours.
Did they do it right or wrong? They got 18.
Is it right?
Wrong.
They did it what?
You're supposed to round to the nearest whole number.
Yeah, you're supposed to round there. So. Right or wrong?
Right.
Right?
I think we did it right.
Right. Their picture's not very good, that's all. Precisely.
That's so
All right.
mean.
Wait, go back.
Okay. Okay, go.
Did you pick one up? No. How did you get it? It was already here? These kids just leave their stuff here. Why would kids take home a practice test to study? I don't understand.
Homegirl's really sleeping. Stop. What? You're famous in my vlogs. This is literally my mood. Do, 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 do.
See, this is good stuff right here.
What? I don't know why you would want double Caiti, but
having the pre-ride and the rubric, but most, I really don't want to talk about these essays right now. I really don't.
well, that is not very good. What did you get?
That like hurts.
I got a 90. How did I get a 75? Holden, what'd you get?
What'd you get?
75.
Yikes! Yikes!
That's not a good reaction. I got a 75 on my essay. This is the lowest grade I've gotten on a major assessment this whole year in this class.
What about the quizzes?
The quizzes aren't major. The vocab quizzes are not major assessments. We have a big vocab quiz on Friday.
It's a test.
Well, let's stop. This is not going to be my worst grade anymore. So I've had my afternoon 3 hours of watching TikToks all day. It is now 6 o'clock, and this just seems to be a common factor of every single time I vlog. Like I said, we're going to be going shopping to get some Christmas treats for tomorrow when a bunch of my friends come over. Also, I have another pimple sticker on my face because this pimple just won't go away and it's bothering me. And we have 0 food in this household, so I'm hungry. But I'm also wearing my Olaf pants right now, so subtle flex. I cannot wait till I can drive, because then I could just go by myself to Publix. Give me a memory I can use. How this ends is what if I never love again. Yeah. So this is my puppy. Her name is Cappy. I just want to give you all my love and affection. She smells good. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna end up going. Why am I pink? I honestly don't know if I'm gonna end up being able to go shopping tonight for the Christmas snacks, because it's 6:30 and I realized just now my dad's on a flight. Like, I totally forgot, but he told me that this morning, and my mom's still at work and I'm hungry. So I think right now I'm gonna take a shower actually and eat my advent calendar. This is not the end of the vlog. We're just gonna eat this because I'm hungry, and this is the only food I have down here. 11 is on this big boy. Oh, what is this? Oh my goodness. We've been getting such fun things now. I love getting things besides gummies. Haribo Roulette. Are these gummies? I really hope so. So they're just kind of gummies in like this package, and they taste just like the normal ones. So yesterday I took a shower and didn't wash my hair, and it is so greasy now. So I think I'm gonna take a shower, and then hopefully my mom will come home soon and she'll give me more content. But y'all love seeing my mom in vlogs, so content baby content. I'm gonna go take a shower now. Wow, I am so showered and so clean. Look at me. Well, my mom just called me and my brothers letting me know that she's gonna be home in 10 minutes, and then we're going to go to Chick-fil-A. So this night turned into a success. I'm just saying, I've had my hair short for about like 4 days now, and one of the biggest perks that I have found is shampooing and conditioning and being in the shower is like 10 times shorter. I hate taking showers. I don't know if I'm the only one. Like, I like it if I feel dirty, but when I don't want to take a shower, I just don't want to take a shower. And oh my goodness, it just takes like half the time that my normal freaking 18-inch hair would do. I don't even know how long my hair used to be. I'm just brushing it out, and I'm gonna go upstairs and wait for my mother to get home, and then I'm gonna eat some Chick-fil-A. We're at Chick-fil-A now, and let me just warn you, I'm gonna leave all of our orders in because my family goes crazy at Chick-fil-A and they order so much food, so be prepared. She about 5'5" or about 5'6".
May I have the number 3 Diet Dr. Pepper, this much ice. 1 inch of ice, not light ice, because that just basically means full ice.
Can I please have a number 1 meal?
Number 1 meal?
Yes, please. Dr. Pepper with that and ranch. And then also on the side an 8-count nugget, not a meal for that. Just add it to it.
Can I get a number 1 meal and then another Chick-fil-A sandwich?
Hey baby, you just had dinner.
Can I have a number 1 meal with Diet Dr. Pepper? Then can I just have the 8-count nuggets, not the actual meal? And buffalo
Sauce.
with buffalo sauce.
Yep.
Wait, I have a question for you. Are you guys like required to say our pleasure or my pleasure? Really?
Yes.
Like you have to?
We have to.
Dang, I didn't know that. Okay. I think that's it.
No.
Should I run through it?
Probably.
So I have a 12-count nugget meal with a Diet Coke with 1 inch of ice and ranch. Lunch with Dr. Pepper and ranch. Anything else?
That's it.
Alright, good to go?
Thank you.
Pleasure. Have a good night.
Oh yeah. I didn't know that they were required to say it. I thought that was just something that they like. Because they don't say it every time we go to Chick-fil-A. Hi, Nick.
Hi, Nick.
How you guys doing tonight?
We're good.
I know this
You guys
guy.
had 12.
Are you going to STN?
Yes.
Okay.
What contest did you sign up for?
Social media and music video.
I did music video and movie trailer.
Gotcha. That's so funny. I didn't know he worked at this one. He was in my film class last year. Okay, great. Thanks. We're now back from Chick-fil-A, and I just want to show you a little hack. I get an extra 8-count of nuggets, and I take it to school the next day to either eat for breakfast or lunch, which is like a little trick. I don't know if a lot of people do that, but I'm normally too full to eat like another 8-count. I just eat my sandwich, my fries, and then I'll take the 8-count for the next time or the next time I get hungry. I'm home now, and it's 7:30. I'm gonna edit this video and get it up because I have a test and a quiz tomorrow that I really need to study for a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and enjoyed seeing my crazy nighttime routine. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and if you didn't enter yesterday's giveaway, I'm giving away a ton of makeup. Definitely go enter that. I'll be probably announcing the giveaway winner on Vlogmas Day 13 because tomorrow is gonna be super fun with my friends. I love you guys. I hope you had an amazing day, an amazing night, and I will see you tomorrow with Vlogmas Day 12. Tomorrow's 12. Peace in the Middle East.